Jai Hind friends, heartily welcome to all of your friends in ASolvy tutorial. So guys, in previous topic we find out one point, okay, which was f string method, right? When we are going to see the output, we use this method. So today we will see about this, right? What is this and how it's work? Look at here guys, this method I used in previous session, right? So have you ever wished there was an easier way to insert variable into a string without any complicated code? Well, Python has a feature called fstring that make this super simple. Okay. So in this video we will explore how to use fstring, one of the most efficient way to format in string in Python, right? So go for the next one. Just cut here, paste here. Okay, after that enter. Okay, first of all, we write some code, right? So on our screen, just like I will put the variable name equal to Cots and Rahul, right? After that, here I put age is equal to 20. Okay, now see here, print f. Okay, why f? Because f a string in Python allow you to embedded variable inside a string with minimal code. Okay, all of you need to do this is put at f before the string, just like I will write here my name, okay, age, and sorry, okay, and insert variable inside the curly bracket, right? Like name, okay, and I am, again curly bracket, and here we put age variable name. Okay, now sorry, yeah, year old. Okay, now save it and run in the terminal. Look, what is the output? My name is Rahul and I am 20 years old, if I don't wrong, right? Just wait for output. Look here, the output is my name is Rahul and I am 20-year-old, right? So all of you need to do is put an f before the string and insert variable inside the curly bracket. Okay, now next one, another example. Okay, how f string work step by step. Just like you can also use f string to perform calculation or call function directly inside the string. Okay, so let us see the next example. Before it, again, yeah, convert this in comment, multi-line comment. Okay, and I will delete this. Now how to perform calculation? Then first we get the length variable and I will put the number 6. Okay, and after that width, just for understand, okay guys, how the f string function is performing calculation, right? And the width we put here 5. Okay, now again we type the print command. After that f string start. Okay, here is my cursor. Okay, then start the area of the rectangle is here curly bracket start because we put the variable here. Okay, length, right, multiply width. Am I right? It is a formula of area of rectangle. Okay, so dot, and I will save this and run into the terminal, right? See the output, I think is 15, sorry 30. While we multiply 6 into 5, then we get 30. Look here, the area of rectangle is 30, so it is also prove that f string is also perform calculation or call function directly inside the string, right? And what is the use of advance? Okay, then we say that f string also make it easy to format numbers, for example just like rounding a floating number into two decimal number. Okay, how it is. Then so another one example here, right? Oh sorry, just cut it, paste here. After that again enter, I will delete this terminal, right? And here just like pi, you all know that what is pi, right? So here pi is equal to, what is the value of pi? 3.14159, sorry if I am not wrong. Okay, then now directly goes to the print command, because what we can do in this, we can use advance, like rounding a floating point number into two decimal point, it means 3.14, not 159. Okay, so again f string I will use here, and now I'll put the string that pi rounded to two decimal places each. Now we put the variable in curly bracket. Okay guys, the pi colon 2f, it means two floating point, right? After that full stop, sorry I will put here comma, after that full stop. Okay, and I will save and run in the terminal. See what is the output, that is 3.14, I think so. Why it is not done? Oh, there is a silly mistake, that I will not put here dot, right? It is a function guys, to convert into two decimal places, right? And after that I will save here and run in terminal. Look here guys, pi rounded to two decimal places is 3.14. okay, so guys, you know that one common mistake beginners make it forgetting to put the f before the string or not using curly brackets correctly, right? For example, if you forget the f, it won't insert the variable's value, right? A little mistake can give you a error, or the program is not successfully run what we want, right?